Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBO Listening Developer. My name is Inshal Beg and today I will show you how to build an amazing project using Next.js, and this video will be really helpful. So remember to see this video from start to end so you can learn one to one thing about this video, and this video will be giving you too much help, and it will be also giving you too much help how to use Tailwind CSS using Next.js. Means I will be telling you some of the beginning thing about Tailwind CSS, how you can use Tailwind CSS using Next.js and how we can use that thing. So this video will be really helpful, and I will be also telling you how to change background and text color using Tailwind CSS in Next.js. And this video will be really helpful, and I will be coming up with more tutorials about Next.js and Tailwind CSS, and that videos will be also really helpful. Like previously we have built many of the clones using Tailwind CSS and Next.js, and now in this video I will be telling you some of the totally beginning things about Tailwind CSS, in how you can use Tailwind CSS in Next.js, and how we can put tags. Like I will be telling you how you can change colors of text using Tailwind CSS, and this video will be really helpful. So remember to see this video from start to end, and if you are enjoying and learning things from this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can learn about these amazing things and skills which we are doing with Next.js, and I hope you'll be understanding this video also. So just now we will be starting with our project, and now we have to see how we can use Tailwind CSS in Next.js. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building an amazing project using Next.js, and now we'll be starting to build our project which we'll be building using Next.js. So now for building that project, you have to open your command prompt first of all. Now when you have opened your command prompt, then you have to open your VS Code text editor, in which we will be opening our folder and working with our folder. So now when you have opened your VS Code, just you have to move to your command prompt which we have opened previously. Now we have to create folder in that. So if I just show you in my local links app, like here, so you can see there is one folder with the name of project 9. So here we will be creating this folder. So here I will be now writing local links app, means where I have to create my folder. Then I'll be writing npx create next step, and I'll be writing project dash 9 because my folder name is project dash 9. Now when you will be just writing your folder name, so it will be just giving you that your folder is already created in local disk app. So you have to create that folder using npx, and you can see now this is giving this directory project 9 contains file that could conflict like Next.js, and you can work with Next.js by using this directory. So here this was our directory with the name of project 9. You can drag and drop into VS Code, or you can just go to file and you can press open folder to open your folder directly. Now when you have opened these things, you have to simply do one thing here. We have to run our Next.js app so we can see that uh, there is any error or not. So here I will be moving to my terminal by pressing new terminal. Now it will be taking some time and it will be giving you terminal, and then you can run your terminal in your default browser. So my default browser is Opera. I will be running in that. So here I will be writing npm, but I will be writing here npm run dev. Now when you've written this command, you have to press enter, and when you have pressed enter, so you have to wait a while, because then after this command it will be running your Next.js app in your default browser. You can see it has started the localhost server. So here I will be opening my Opera browser now. Then when you will be pressing localhost here, so you will be getting a localhost server. If I just show you, press it again. Now you can see we are getting one localhost server in which we are getting layout, header and footer, because we have already created. In previous videos also I have telling you how to create, so you have to create these things. Then you can move further on to create some of the different things which I will be telling you here. Now when you create these things, now I will be showing you how to get an error using style.css file. So now here, now we have to just get a style sheet error. So for getting a style sheet error, just you have to move to your index.js file first of all. Move to index.js file, then you have to import a style sheet like this one, global.css. This is the style sheet in styles folder. So here I'll be writing this command, then I will be now running this. So our folder name is styles, then I will be writing this, and I'll be writing globals dot css. Now we have to save. You can see we are getting a style sheet error like module not found, and it can't resolve this file, means this file, because we have linked that perfectly, but we cannot link with this. So here I will be now erasing this file, save this. You can see now it is gone. So you have to just use a you can say some of the Tailwind CSS here to work with this. So here if I move, and now if I just write class name, so like this you can use Tailwind CSS here. And then if I write here container, you will be seeing that header will be moving forward. Save this. So here, if I just show you, you can see header is moving, but it is not moving. It is not moving because we have not downloaded the Bootstrap here, and we need Bootstrap to work with this. So simply I will be moving here, then I'll be writing getbootstrap.com. You have to copy it CDN, CSS CDN, you have to copy, not the JavaScript one. When you have copied this CSS CDN, simply you have to do one thing here, move to your layout.js file. Here we will be pasting underneath this title tag. Paste it. Now you have to just move down here. Now take this O to capital because we need this capital. So here I'll be doing that. Now you have to just do one thing here. You have to move down. You have to take this integrity down also. Now move this thing also down and erase this link tag because now we will be using this slash to close our link tag. Now save this file simply. You can see now the header is moving because now we have written this class name container, and with the tailwind CSS we have done this thing. Now you can move to footer.js. You can do same thing here. Now if I write center, means if I want to text in center. So save this. You can see now my text is in center with the help of Tailwind CSS. So here we are using Tailwind CSS, and with the help of Tailwind CSS we are just doing our text center, and we are just giving it padding. So for giving the padding you can write p-2. Save this. You can see now from the top we are getting some padding here, and with the help of Tailwind CSS we have done that thing. So today I will be showing you how to use Tailwind CSS using Next.js, and this video will be really helpful. So remember to see this from start to end. And you can see now we have given the padding also from the top. Now here you can also write padding bottom. Save this. So you can see now from the bottom you are getting padding. Now if I write top, save. So from top you will be getting padding. So this was the thing. Save this. So like that you will be getting some of the padding. Now if you want to give a background color, you can write bg dash, and then you can write your favorite color what you want. Like info, if I write, you can see the background color is info. Now you can write here like this, text dash info. Save this. So you can see now the text color is changed into info. So like this you can change the text color, and like this you can change the background color here. And this is with the help of Tailwind CSS. And when we were building big projects, so I have also telling you how to use Tailwind CSS, and this was the simple thing which I want to show you, how to use a Tailwind CSS in Next.js file and how to work with that. So it will be really easy for you to build big projects, like if you need to build that clones or anything using Tailwind CSS. So you want to learn the beginning things of Tailwind CSS, like how Tailwind CSS is used and what things we have to use in Tailwind CSS. So like this you can change the text color. So here you can give any of the color to just change the text color. You can see it is into white now. It is not showing because here our background is not white. Now here this was the thing which I want to show you, and this was the project here, and I hope you understand how to change. And you can just change these things also, and this color also. If I change it to black here, save this, you can see now it is changed into black, totally black. It is not in brown. You can see this color, these two colors are having same color, but this is different because it is now changed into black, and this is lightish brown, you can say. You can see how good looking is that. So like this you can change the text and background color using Tailwind CSS, and I hope you understand this project. So here if I just copy these both, you can say these all things here, copy this and move to header.js, do same thing here. So here you will be getting same thing in layout and header also. You can see in layout and header we are getting same things, and this was the thing. So here when you're just getting that thing, just you can just give it the name as any name you can give here. So here you can just give header or any other name like fonts. Save this. You can see now fonts is also in center because we are getting text center. Now you can change it bg dash white. Now if I do it bg dash white, so here I want my text should be like black. Save this, and you can see now this is white. So here I will be doing one thing, I will be doing it opposite. I will be writing here black. Save. You can see now my background is black. Then I'll be changing my text to white. Save. You can see now how good looking is that. So like this you can do this thing, and I'll be doing it in my footer.js and in layout.js also. So here this is my layout.js file. Paste that thing. Now save this. Here also we are getting same thing. Move to footer, move to header.js, footer.js, and here I'll be doing same thing now. So here I'll be pasting my class name. Save this. You can see we are getting same things here. So today we have learned how to just use Tailwind CSS and how to change text color, background color using Tailwind CSS, and I hope you understand how to use simple Tailwind CSS in Next.js, and I hope you understand this video. If you have understand and enjoy this video, so please hit a like to this video because This video is really helpful, and I hope you understand many things from this video, because this video will be giving you too much help when you will be working with Next.js and when you work with Tailwind CSS, because some people does not know about Tailwind CSS and they think like Tailwind CSS like normal CSS we do with HTML CSS, but no. Tailwind CSS is really different thing from normal CSS which we do with HTML. So remember that Tailwind CSS only used with React and Next.js. It will not be used by HTML or any other language. So remember that things, and I hope you will be understanding Tailwind CSS, because now I will be bringing up some of the more tutorials about Next.js and Tailwind CSS, and I hope you will be understanding that also. So subscribe on my channel if you are new here and learning things from this video, and also share this video with your friends and family members so they can learn about these amazing things and skills which we are doing from my channel. And I hope you'll be understanding this video also. So I hope you understand that. So I will be meeting you next project. So for today, good bye.